Hi, Tanya here. Welcome back to the Nightlife. I just wanted to come back and quickly give you an update to the TIVISIY review that I did. TIVISIY did reach out to me after I uploaded the video to help me troubleshoot the problem I was having with my remote, which I thought was way cool. Shout out to TIVISIY. I will insert a photo of the remote and a photo of the plug. So basically, what you need to do is make sure that the remote is pointed at the little black rectangle on the cord that reads Music Controller. This is the receiver so that when you push buttons on the remote, it will make your light work. Make sure there's no obstacles in the way or the remote will not work. Once I knew this, voila, the functions on the remote worked. I was able to cycle through the different colors on the remote, as you can see me doing here. There's red, green, blue, white, orange, yellow, cyan, and purple. Also on the remote are functions such as jump 3, jump 7, fade 3, fade 7, and that's what you see me doing here. I'm just cycling through, playing with those different functions. You can also turn up the brightness on the lights and you can turn down the brightness of the lights. And so that's what you see me doing here. Finally, I turned on some music to test out the LED sound activation feature. I had a small space heater on in my office and it was picking up the sound pretty good. So the remote has 4 settings to choose from 1 to 4. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, wow. Final answer is I love it. I love the squirrel. Go check out TIVISIY. I will leave all their information in the description box below. Shop using my special discount code, which I will also leave below. Go check out the first TIVISIY unboxing video I did for a more thorough review of the products they sent me. Thank you TIVISIY for sponsoring this video. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. Be awesome, be great, amazing things will happen.